people get better at reading papers as they get more experienced, and part of that has to be, of course, you get more and more knowledge, right?
Definitely.
So your very in-field papers, those are of course easy to read, but even outside of that, they become easier to read because you're not hung up on the fact that you didn't understand one sentence. You don't have to go through a rabbit hole of publications. But when you first start reading it, you're so overwhelmed by some sentences that you just can't even get through the whole paper, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely. I think that, you really don't want to be, what I would say as well is you don't want to be overwhelmed by, one thing I did early on was I read a lot of papers, and I think that you have to do that to get a sense of bearing in the field.
Yes.
But as you begin to understand what you're curious about, what I would recommend that you do, and what I now do a lot more of, is ask your own question. So don't worry about publishing. Don't worry if the question has an answer out there. Sit down and ask yourself, what am I curious about in this field?